far. Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm just going to show y'all how to get the most slices out of a tomato. Regular tomato. Okay. Let me crank this down. Okay. Regular tomato. Most people would slice it, you know, like this. Like that. But you get the most slices out of slicing it this way. I already washed it and dried it off. And yeah, my knife is dull. I've had this since me and Walter got married. So these are over 40 years old. I got a set in a wood block. And a couple of them are missing. Because we've moved quite a few times. And get lost. I don't know why I'm cutting that stem all up in here. Get that stem off of that. It looks nasty. So, y'all get the picture. Should have had 2 tomatoes so I can compare the number of slices you can get. I'm getting ready to put this in a container so it'll be ready when I get ready for it. Okay, got this little piece. So let me count the slices. Weird video, ain't it? Okay, 1, 2. I ain't gonna count this. Half a slice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 slices. If I had sliced them a little thinner, I could have gotten more. But that's how to get the most slices out of a tomato, slicing it this way instead of the regular way everybody else slices it. I learned this from some church I went to maybe 30 years ago, and I never forgot it. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. I want to thank you for watching. I'm about to take this wig off. It got on my last nerve. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye.